Hello viewers. Today I will tell about HTML, that means introduction of HTML. You can build your own website with HTML. The full abbreviation of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. Actually, it is not a programming language. It is a markup language, which is a combination of set of markup tags to define a website or web page. HTML uses these markup tags. What is HTML tags? Simply, HTML markup tags are called HTML tags. Tags are keywords which are bounded within angle brackets by both sides. For example, HTML tags. This is HTML tags. Generally, tags appear in a pair. For example, break tags and ending break tags. This is a pair of break tags. The first tag of this pair is beginning tag and the second is ending tag. Those are also called opening tag and closing tag. It is very important that if you start a tag, you have to use the second closing tag. For example, this is a paragraph tags. The first is opening tag and this is closing tag. Now, what is web page? Generally, HTML documents is a web page. Actually, HTML documents define web page. These documents contains HTML tags and plain text. These documents are called web page. To display the web page by reading or decoding the HTML document, we use the web browser. Browser does not show the HTML tags, rather than the contents are translated. For example, I will code some text. For example, HTML heading 1, my first heading 1 closing, paragraph, my first paragraph, closing paragraph tags, closing body tags, and closing HTML tags. This is an example of a web page. This is simple web page. If you want to write this page, first go to start menu and all programs, then accessories, click on run, write notepad and press enter. A notepad will appear. Then you can write your code here. this code, and please save this. Save this in any name. We want to save this page 1. Okay. Now this is page 1, and I write the code in here. And you have to rename this text. We will rename this page 1 dot text as page 1 dot html format, and press enter. Now right click, open within any browser. We will open with Google Chrome browser. Then this page will show this, my first heading, my first paragraph. The browser only shows the content of the page, not text. Okay. Now explanation of this text of this page. Well, open with Notepad. Here HTML beginning and HTML closing means the text between these tags define the web pages. Opening body tag and closing body tag, the text between these tags are displayable page content. And beginning h1 tag and closing h1 tag means the text between these tags are displayed as heading. And opening paragraph tags and closing paragraph tags, this means the text between these tags are displayed as paragraph. Now, what is needed to learn HTML? To learn HTML, you do not need to any renowned HTML editor, web server or website. You can learn HTML with the simple text editor Notepad, and this is the best way to learn HTML. Though professional web developers use big HTML editor like Dreamweaver or FrontPage to develop their websites rather than writing a plain text, but there is no alternative way to use Notepad to prepare your basic foundation. That's all for today. Bye.